So for today, we are going to be creating a makeup look. Kasi over the holidays, meron akong nabili. And this is the metallics. Naglabas actually si Deviant nung kanila, but you know, budget does not permit that right now. So we are going to be focusing our attention to the metallics by Detail Cosmetics. Tignan nyo naman. Oh my god. Oh my god. At sobrang pigmented niya, guys. Super pigmented. Hindi kayo mapapahiya at hindi kayo maiirita kasi talagang pak na pak yung pigments niya. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so first, I'm going to moisturize my lips kasi para hindi mahirap maglagay ng lipstick later on. And I'm going to use this You Can Face It foundation by Squad Cosmetics. Sobrang love ko tong foundation na to kasi napakaganda niya sa balat. And at the same time, the coloration or the pigmentation is so nice as well. And then, ang aking ever-favorite concealer, si L'Oreal Infallible. I will just conceal my under eye and of course, use it as a highlight as well. Mimix at i-blend lang natin siya at i-extend ko siya sa aking eyelid, which will also serve as my eye primer. And of course, let us set. I actually don't like to bake, so what I'll do is I'll just powder my under eye and of course my eyelids kung saan basically ko nilagay yung concealer para hindi siya mag-crease. And then, I'll just lightly powder all over the face. Let us contour kasi contour is life or else magmumukha tayong siopaw. Ayan, so okay na yung aking nose and ang aking cheekbones. Medyo tumangos siya ng konti. And of course, I'll just lightly highlight my nose bridge and of course my Cupid's bow. I'll do the highlighting later on. And kailangan natin ng kilay. I'm using my Spotlight Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil and I usually just line under the brow and susundan ko siya nung line on top bago ko gawin yung tail. And then, if I'm contented with it, i-fill in ko na siya. Yan. Oo, minsan mukha akong galit. Pero, para lang makuha ko yung curve nung kilay ko. And of course, wala namang perfect. Syempre, we should, you know, conceal our imperfections. And that's what I'm actually doing here. And with the same sponge, I'm just blending away the concealer. And you may use your favorite brow mascara. Here, I'm using the Benefit Ka-Brow eyebrow mascara. And then my eyebrows are done. I would like to use this Vice Cosmetics Kavogue Palette. I'm going to be using this as my transition or crease color. Syempre, i-slowly intensify natin yung color na yan hanggang sa satisfied na tayo dun sa pigmentation. Papantay ko lang dun sa kabilang eyes and whatever is, you know, left on the brush, I will also put that underneath my eyes. Para naman hindi top heavy yung ating eye makeup. And then, I'm going to be picking up this Gun Metallic eyeshadow ng Detail Cosmetics. And you guys, you don't know what you are missing kasi tried and tested, super duper pigmented nitong mga metallic shadows nito and super buttery siya sa feel. In fact, actually, medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin pag nagtanggal ka ng makeup. And I just love it. Ilalagay lang natin siya hanggang sa center ng eyelids. And then, I'm going to be applying this metallic black at the outer corner. Parang magta-transition tayo from gun metallic to black. Syempre, may aso sa background. Hindi ko na yun kayang control. Okay, and whatever is left on the brush, of course, I'm going to be sweeping that underneath the eye as well. At with the brown color that we used earlier from the Vice Cosmetics palette, let us just blend the edges para walang harsh lines. And of course, parang napakagandang pang-highlight ng inner corner itong yellow na to. Kasi syempre, gray and yellow. So parang color of 2021. That's why I decided to use this color. And you can just see, oh, diba? Very blinding. Ganda ng colors nitong palette na to. Blender. Para maganda. I-blend lang natin siya. And maglagay tayo ng pilik mata. That's it, and I'm going to intensify my contour kasi the eyes are very smoky and heavy and parang hindi bagay ang siopaw face. And of course, I'm skipping blush on. Rather, I'm using a highlighter para maging prominent yung cheekbones. And actually, yung ating contour, yun na rin yung nag-serve na parang nude blush natin for today. And of course, since heavy na yung ating eye makeup, I'm using this BLK Diamond, I think, lip gloss. And it's so nice kasi nude, very light, as opposed to gray metallic eye. So guys, here is my ano bang tawag dito? Gray gun metallic smoky eye look with the Pantone color of the year yellow as my highlighter, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!